Right now, you're moving fast, like crazy fast. Even if you're just sitting on your couch, you're spinning with the Earth at over 1,000 miles an hour. You don't feel it because everything around you is moving at the exact same speed. It's like being in a super smooth airplane. But what if the planet suddenly hits the brakes? What if, out of nowhere, the Earth just stops? For just 5 seconds. Trust me, you are not ready for what physics would do to you. Second one, the ground beneath you stops dead, but you don't. This is all because of inertia. It is the physical law where things that are already moving want to keep moving. So when the solid rock of the planet locks up, everything else goes flying. Your house, your car, the trees, and you are instantly launched eastward at over 1,000 miles an hour. If you're indoors, you hit the wall facing east at supersonic speed. If you're outside, you become a missile flying through the air. Let's look at big cities like New York, London, or Tokyo. It is an absolute catastrophe. Skyscrapers are tough and they can handle big storms or earthquakes, but they cannot handle a sudden stop from 1,000 miles an hour. Every single building just rips off its foundation and shatters. Bricks, steel beams, and glass turn into a massive cloud of flying debris moving faster than a bullet. In less than 3 seconds, the biggest cities in the world are completely wiped out. Seconds 2 and 3. Even if you somehow survive that crazy first second, the air is about to finish the job. See, the atmosphere doesn't stop just because the ground did. The air keeps rushing eastward at over 1,000 miles an hour. We're talking about winds twice as powerful as the strongest nuclear blast. These winds don't just blow roofs off houses. They literally rip whole forests out of the ground and strip the topsoil off the earth. The friction between the fast air and the stopped ground gets so hot, it starts massive fires everywhere. Seconds 4 and 5. Now comes the water. The oceans are massive and they are still moving at full speed too. Huge walls of water miles high just slam straight into the western coasts of the continents. These aren't regular waves. These are giant tsunamis swallowing whole countries in seconds. Places like California, the Netherlands, or parts of England go completely underwater. Even if you are hundreds of miles away from the coast, a massive wave of mud and ocean water is rushing right toward you. But wait, what if you were up in the air? Like in a normal commercial airplane or living on the International Space Station? Well, the guys in space are safe. They would look down and watch the entire surface of the Earth turn into a giant cloud of dust and water, but they have no home to go back to. And the airplane, it might survive the very first second because it's already flying in the air. But the total chaos in the atmosphere, the supersonic winds, and the massive volcanic eruptions triggered by the sudden stop would rip that plane apart pretty fast. And then, after 5 endless seconds, the Earth suddenly starts spinning again. The brakes are off. But the world you knew is completely gone. The continents moved, the oceans completely changed the map, and almost everyone is dead. All because of a tiny 5-second pause. So next time you think your day is dragging, just be glad the planet keeps moving. If you want to survive the next crazy science scenario, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Leave a comment on what we should explain next. Stay curious and I'll see ya.